In this video, you'll be learning how to pin messages in Telegram. To pin messages in Telegram, you can do this as the admin of a group or a channel. Now, before we go straight into the video, it might interest you to consider subscribing to the channel, also turning on the notification icon so that you don't get to miss out on any of our recent updates, and most importantly, do also give us a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section about the video. With this being said, let's hop straight into it. So you want to head straight for your Telegram app, and you have it there, and so let's head for the group you want to pin a message. So I'll be using one of my groups to do that, and I have it here, and a series of messages. So you're going to select the message you want to pin precisely. So let's take, for example, I want to pin this message. So I'm just going to click on it. So this message here, I want to pin it, so I just click on the message, and you see the drop down sub menu that says reply, copy, forward, pin, delete. So you want to click on pin, and it says pin this message in the group. Do you want to notify all members? If you don't want to, you don't have to check this, just uncheck the box. But if you want to notify all members, you can just check the box and click on pin. Now, for those of us who have a channel, if you are doing this on the channel, you might not get the notification, that you might not get the option of notifying all members, but here in the group you get the notification that all members, you get the option of notifying all members or not. So this is how you pin a message in Telegram. If you find this video helpful, do well to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as we upload videos back to back, and currently we upload videos regularly. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well, as you can get notified whenever we make new uploads. Thank you very much, and see you in other videos. Bye for now.